Ano ang sign na mali ang method mo in losing weight? Number 1, lagi kang gutom or wala kang energy. It means na kulang ka sa nutrition and hindi complete balance ang iyong kinakain. Number 2, mabilis mag-rebound, bumabalik din agad yung mga lalose mo na weight. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo napataas ang iyong metabolism habang ikaw ay nagpapapayat. Number 3, hindi sustainable. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kayang gawin yung ginagawa mo pang lifetime. Merong mali at hindi ka nakabuild ng right habits to achieve ideal weight, ideal shape, and keeping it off for life. Importante sa weight management, makapag-build tayo ng right habits, kumakain tayo ng complete balanced meal, hindi tayo nakafocus sa quick fixes, instead, sustainable dapat ang ating goal para ma-achieve mo na yung ideal weight mo, ma-maintain mo pa ito, and of course, hindi magsasuffer ang iyong health, and ang goal natin is long-term wellness and healthy active aging. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will give you proper meal guides, snack options, and paano ba yung complete balanced nutrition na hindi nagpapagutom to manage our weight? DM me for free consultation.